In this example, we're going to solve a linear inequality in one variable that contains multiple fractions. Recall that when solving a linear equation in one variable with multiple fractions, we had a key technique, which was to determine the least common multiple of all the denominators present, and then multiply each side by that number. When solving a linear inequality, we're going to use the same technique. So to start, let's write down that original inequality, which is 1/2 t minus 3/4 strictly less than negative 2/5 t plus 3/5. And so, looking at that inequality, our first objective is to clear all of those denominators out, and we do so by finding a number that we can multiply each side by that will eliminate all of those denominators. So looking here, we have a denominator of 2, a denominator of 4, and then a denominator of 5 occurring twice. So the least common multiple of those numbers, 2, 4, and 5, will be 20. So 20 is the number that we want to multiply each side of this inequality by. So that'll be our first step. We'll multiply the left side by 20, and we'll multiply the right side of that inequality by 20. So we'll have 20 times the quantity 1/2 t minus 3/4, strictly less than 20 times the quantity negative 2/5 t plus 3/5. Now, we have two terms on this left side, so we're going to distribute the 20 across 1/2 t minus 3/4, and we'll also, on the right-hand side, need to distribute that 20 across negative 2/5 t plus 3/5. So from there, we'll have 20 on the left-hand side. We'll have 20 times 1/2 t minus 20 times 3/4. And that's strictly less than, distributing on the right, we'll have 20 times negative 2/5 t plus 20 times 3/5. Now we're going to be able to simplify each side. We know that all of these denominators will be gone because we've chosen something that's a multiple of each of them. So when we take 20 times 1/2 times t, that becomes 10t, and then we're subtracting 20 times 3/4, so that'll be minus 15, and then that's strictly less than, and on the right side we're going to have 20 times negative 2/5 t, so we take 20 times negative 2/5. We can think of that as negative 40 over 5, which will give us negative 8 as a coefficient, so we have negative 8t. And then we're adding 20 times 3/5. I would think of that as 60 over 5, so we'll get 12. So we have 10t minus 15, strictly less than negative 8t plus 12. So now we have a linear inequality that will be much more straightforward to solve. We'll want to get every term containing t on one side, using the property of addition, and every term not containing t on the other side, also using the property of addition. So to do that, I'm going to add 8t to each side. That'll clear that negative 8t from the right side. So I'll have 10t minus 15. I'm going to add 8t. To the left side, that'll be strictly less than negative 8t plus 12 plus 8t. And that'll simplify. My left side will be 18t minus 15. My right side will just be 12. So now, to just have 18t on the left side, I'm going to add 15 to each side. So I'll have 18t minus 15 plus 15. Strictly less than 12 plus 15. And that's going to simplify to 18t less than 27. Okay, so as a final step, I have 18t on the left and I just want t, so I'm going to divide each side by 18. So I'll have 18t over 18 less than 27 over 18. And that'll simplify down to t less than 3/2. 27 and 18 are each divisible by 9. So I have the final inequality. The last thing I need to do is state the solution set in both interval and set builder notation. So as an interval, I can say that the solution set is, and so I need t strictly less than 3/2, so 3/2 will be on the right of my interval with an open bracket, and on the left I'm going to have negative infinity. If I were to state that with set builder notation, I would write a curly bracket, t, then a straight bar, t less than 3/2. And again, that's going to give me the set of t such that t is less than 3/2.